generally the design process. It's starting with you. This is your project. So take ownership of it. And even if you don't have the land yet, you can start imagining what are the things you need in the project. You can create that brief. And that brief can be, a list. It can be a series of images. It can be a series of sketches. But it is going to set out the requirements that are important to you as a self-builder. You want to make sure you have this before you engage with the design team, and share that with them when you're getting proposals from potential design team members. And remember that this is a document that's going to change. As I said, a big part of the self-build process is educating yourself. So in that educational process, you'll also be ensuring that you're updating your document and updating your understanding of what your project is.